Our dental plaque is especially good for bruxism, teeth clenching, teeth grinding, snoring, migraine, and then against anxiety, and the ones who cannot sleep really well while their night period during their sleep. So, Professor Dr. Padovan is mentioning the triggering the tongue and swallowing and reflex and sucking reflex affects positively our vagus nervous system, and it's your vagus nervous system like relaxes you. It's same as like think like your mother is like touching you, telling you sleep well, everything is good, I'm here, while you are having a nightmare. So in fact, this is relaxing your vagus nervous system. Means also it's helpful for your addictions, eating addictions, and it's helping also your happiness, and it's affecting your eating addiction or smoking addiction or alcoholic addiction. But mainly we have focused bruxism, teeth grinding, teeth clenching, snoring, migraine, and anti-anxiety.